Alright, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing another pretty risky thing with the Cintiq Companion. I'm going to be removing the stock screen protector because I strongly dislike the level of grain that is included with the anti-glare coating. I let the people at Photodon know what I planned on doing, and they were nice enough to send me, I believe, a sample of everything that they offer. Their service has been excellent. They had a package out the door in 20 minutes of talking to them with the tracking number. And as you can see, I have some blemishes on the screen protector anyway, which isn't a big deal, but it's my excuse to do this anyway. Yeah, there's a few pretty deep scratches, not awful, but more than anything, I just want a screen protector without so much grain. So I'm going to be showing the removal of the stock screen protector, doing a review of all that they sent me. So I'll show you what I think fits my needs best, and you guys can decide what fits your needs best. And then I will also be doing a video of the application of the aftermarket screen protector. Hopefully everything goes well, because I've never done this before, so we'll see. Let's get into it. I'm just gonna go very, very slow. I don't want to scratch the screen underneath. I also don't want to pull it back too quickly and crack the screen either. I think I'm going to go ahead and heat it up a little bit more. It's actually coming out fairly easy. Put my phone down. Seems like there's more resistance towards the center, so I'm going to actually start different corners because I don't really want to put too much pressure on the screen. It's weird, it feels like there's resistance in certain parts and then other parts come off a little quicker. Just be patient, take your time. You don't want to put too much pressure on the screen. Ta-da! Woo! And it's off. The screen, I don't want to get all scratched up or dirty, but it's very shiny, and I'm excited to see how it looks. So let's fire it up. Beautiful. Honestly, my camera's about to overheat, so hopefully this thing boots up pretty quick. What an amazing screen. This is how it's supposed to look. You guys probably can't tell through the video, but this is a beautiful screen. Oh, I cut myself. I don't have anything installed right now. Yeah, this night and day. I'm so glad I did that. So this is what they sent the final screen protector in, which is huge and very protected. This is the best packaging I've seen on a screen protector, but I don't know if it's because I ordered priority mail or what. Let's open it up and see what's in here. They included a nice little thank you smiley face. If you're gonna cut yours open, I say just cut the very edge. Be careful. Alright, and then inside is another thick cardboard casing. Very nice. With a pull tab. Comes with label, some instructions, cleaning wipe, and receipt. They include a little test piece so that you can return it if you need to, without using the whole piece. So let me go ahead and double read this, even though I've already read it. I'm gonna make sure I do everything right. Here I'm quickly cleaning it with a glass cleaner, and then I go over it with the stock Wacom cleaning cloth. The tape on the packaging is kind of strong, so be careful when you're taking it out not to bend the screen protector. And go ahead and make sure you have the right side down and line up the screen protector while the film is still on it. Once you have it lined up where you would like it, go ahead and tape one of the edges. For me, I tape the top edge. Give it another quick wipe and get all the big chunks of debris off with the Wacom cleaning cloth, and then go over it with the alcohol wipe included from Photodon, because I believe this removes a lot of the static that causes the lint to stick. Alright, so there you have it. Sorry the video's so long. I really didn't expect it to be so long, but I want to be thorough also. I got lucky and did not end up with a lot of lint or air bubbles. I don't think I have any, really. I'm surprised. Others might not be so lucky, but just take your time, make sure it's as clean as possible. Check out the Photodon website. Their service and products have been excellent so far. I believe I went with the MXH screen protector due to the low, hardly noticeable grain, and it has a paper texture that's similar to the stock screen protector with a very little anti-glare. So that I feel like fits my needs. What fits your needs might be different. So check out my short video review of the different samples that they sent me, and I'll discuss what they would be good for, what they wouldn't be good for. Also, if anybody at Wacom is watching, you guys might want to consider offering screen protector options, as it is such a high-grade product. I feel like the user should be able to pick whether they want glare, anti-glare, clear, whatever, different levels maybe even, because to be honest, the stock screen protector's grain is crazy to me. It's just, I don't know why you guys would pick that one. Alright, so good luck. Feel free to comment and ask any questions you might have. Like, subscribe, all that shit. And until next time.